Guys, it's me William, and today I'm going to show you my Spider-Man custom homemade suits from Spider-Man Homecoming. Alright, let's get started. So first up we have I want to show you how to make the head. You just make it like red and get a Scarlet Spider, but comment down below if you think you could get a better head than the Scarlet Spider one. And you get this hood, and then you paint it red because I didn't have any red hoods, and then you put them on here. And then it'll look like that. Second of all, for the body, I used the Devil Kid. He was a trick-or-treater, and I just used blue arms, and then red hands, and then blue pants, and then I just painted them red. So I just used the Devil Kid customize it for pretending to be Iron Man for trick-or-treating. Yeah. So also you could, if you don't like the hood, you could just also customize the other ones, but this one's too hard, so I'm not going to. So I tried to get the hood off, but it was too hard, so I'm not going to get it off. So let me show you the Peter Parker head that I can go on. So this is from series. The hair is from series 18, the red guy. Comment down below if you know his name is, but it still looks pretty cool though. So I guess. Also, so the head is from Marty McFly from Back to the Future, but I know it's not the easiest head to use. You can probably use a different head, like Robin from the Batman movie, the Lego Batman movie, and it has double face, it has a happy face and then a sad face, which is sad. So comment down below if you know how you could get a better head than Marty McFly. So I just ordered the Devil Kid because I can't find one, and it still looks really cool. It's one of my favorites. So you can check out Mini Superheroes. He did this, that he copied, that he worked on. And yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.